Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today's video we are going to paint a wreath. So we are going to start with the materials. I'm using Khadi paper. This is the Khadi Journal, and you can check the link down below to get a discount at Jackson's Art. And I'm using Art Philosophy Watercolor Confections. This is Classics, and I might use the Odyssey as well, so I'm not yet sure, but we're going to paint a wreath, and I just wanted to paint some simple yellow flowers so they will look like dots, and we're going to make it look quite expressive. So let me just rinse my brush. This is the black velvet. Let's start with a brown color. So I just wanted to make an outline of a circle, so I'm not going to make it look perfect. This is just a guide. So I'm going to leave this open because I'm going to be painting some yellows over there, and I wanted to paint just dots. Saw this beautiful inspiration from flower.bomnal, and looks very pretty. So let's just paint some dots in different sizes. So we are just going to keep it just pretty loose, and maybe we can add some splatters later. You can also add a little bit of orange. So this is not a complicated painting. Alright, then we can grab some green over here and maybe just kind of connect them all together. And then maybe add some leaves with slender leaves. I'm just using the tip of my brush to create these thin strokes. Another one over here. Again, we don't want it to look so perfect. Okay, and you can add a bigger ball of flower. I just don't know the name, but let's just paint this, and maybe we can add a bit of shadow, add a little bit of like brown. Okay, then let's continue with the dots. Okay, so I'm not making it look really round. Okay, then let's add some stems again. Just letting it bleed into each other. And then we can add some leaves again. So I don't really have a specific design in mind. I'm just kind of going with the flow. So you can add some brown to our green, just to add some more character to this wreath. Okay, let's add another ball of flower. And you can go back to this flower later when it's already dry. You can add a second layer just to give it more depth. Okay, let's add more. So you can also stamp your brush like this, just to keep it loose. And then let's add some green stems. Okay, I'm gonna add more later, but I wanted to paint a wreath right here, so I just got some brown. And I'm making short strokes, and also I'm rinsing my brush just to create different values, so different shades of brown. I want to use this like burnt sienna color from the Odyssey set, just to give it a bit of warmth. Then let's just continue with the browns. I'm working pretty quick, and you can have some stems sticking out. Okay, now we can add something that holds together the wreath. So I'm just going to put this one kind of an S shape. Okay, now we are going to fill in this area with some more yellow dots. I'm gonna add some greens over here. Add some more yellow. I can add a little bit of orange. Okay, let's go back to yellow. So I'm painting on top of the first few flowers that we painted. Okay, so you can actually add some splatters just to make it a bit loose. Then this is already dry. I'm gonna add another layer of yellow and add a bit of orange. Then let's go in with some green again. feel like we can add some yellow over here. And some more right here. Okay, let's just add some brown to this green because I think I want a stronger color for the leaves. Okay, then let's add some more browns over here. Okay, I think we are done. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I kind of love adding more water on the sides, but of course it's optional. If you don't want that and you suddenly made a mistake, just try to blot it with a tissue, just like this. Okay, so you can get rid of that yellow spot. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Bye.